Hello, my name is Tanya. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a standard receipt and apply it to an open invoice. Let's begin by navigating to the Accounts Receivable work area. And now let's create a receipt. Note that the standard receipt type appears by default. I'll enter the required information starting with the business unit and the receipt method. The receipt method populates the remittance bank fields. I'll need to manually enter a receipt number for this receipt. I'll enter a receipt amount that's equal to payment received from the customer. I'll search for my customer by name. After selecting the customer, I'll scroll to the Remittance Reference Details section. Now I'll enter the remittance reference number to use to match the receipt to the invoice. I can enter a reference number similar to the invoice number that I want. I'll select Submit and Auto Apply Now to apply this receipt to an invoice. The customer doesn't have an invoice with number 41770, so the Edit Receipt page displays the invoice with the closest matching number. I'll select this invoice and apply the receipt to it. The Receipt Details section shows that the receipt was applied to invoice 41773. I can now save this receipt. We return to the Accounts Receivable work area. We're done. Thank you.